Good morning students, welcome back to MS PowerPoint class. Today we are discussing in Insert tab in that Media Clips option, and next in Design tab we are discussing three options: Page Setup, Themes and Background. Media Clips. Here media clips group consists of two options: movie and sound commands. Here movie, the film you can add to your presentation, and you can add audio sound also to your PowerPoint presentation. Here steps to add audio. You have to follow these following steps to add an audio to your presentation. First, click on the Insert tab in a MS PowerPoint presentation. In that, select Media Clip Group. In that, click the Sound command. Second, navigate to the correct audio clip and select it. Okay, where you have recorded the audio, that you have to select. The next third step will be a pop-up window will ask if the audio should play automatically or when clicked. There will be one window, pop-up window. In that you have to select whether the audio it has to play automatically or when the mouse clicked then it has to play. When the audio begins during the presentation. If you select when clicked, automatically when you click then only it will play. Automatically means whenever the presentation is on the screen, automatically it will play that audio. Better to select when clicked. Next will be an audio icon will automatically appear on the slide. After you set the all options there when clicked and all, and automatically the one audio icon will be appeared on the slide, on the presentation. Which slide you have inserted that audio, there the audio icon will be displayed. To preview the audio, right click the audio icon and select preview. Just to preview that, you can right click that audio and you can preview the audio. Here the audio file formats are compatible with the PowerPoint 2007, and it will support AU, that acronym is nothing but audio. AIFF means here audio interchangeable file format. MP3 means MPEG audio layer 3. MPEG means here moving picture expert group. Okay, almost in mobiles, smartphones and laptops and all, you will listen MP3 songs and all. That long form is MPEG audio layer 3. MPEG long form is moving picture experts group. Next, MIDI, that is musical instrument digital interface. Musical wave files, that is waveform audio file, and WMA means Windows Media Audio are acceptable formats. These are the different audio files which are acceptable in the MS PowerPoint slide. Okay, you have to remember this acronym of these files. In exam for 2 marks, sometimes they will ask this acronym of these audio files, and in some competitive exam also, maybe SET, NET or any railways, banking exam and all, the acronym of this word of audio files, video files, they will ask. You have to remember this. Next, how to add video. Here video is nothing but movies you can add to your presentation. That steps you have to remember here. Okay, steps to add video, you have to follow these following steps. First, click on the insert tab. Okay, in a insert tab there will be media clip group. In that you select the click the movie command. Then navigate to the correct movie file and select it. You have to select from the which file you want to show in your presentation, that you have to select there. Here one window, one picture I had given here. That is how do you want to movie to start in the slideshow, like automatically when clicked. Same thing for audio also, it will be there. Here after adding this, if you press automatically, whenever that particular slide where you inserted your movie that is showed on the screen, means that movie automatically plays. But if you click when clicked, okay, that movie icon will be will play. There will be two options there in window, it's there, whichever you want you can select from that. Okay, next will be same thing for audio, how the steps are there, similar steps here. Only thing is, instead of audio, here video file will select. A pop-up window will ask if the video should play automatically or when clicked. Same window will come for audio also. Video also similar window will come. Whichever option required for you, you can select that one. Selecting when clicked is recommended, so the presenter controls when the video begins during the presentation. Okay, then to preview the video, you have to right click on the video box and select preview option. You have to right click on that video box and just click on preview. Here it will support all the video file formats. Okay, like in audio video file formats are AVI, audio video interlude, MPEG, moving picture experts group, WMV, that is Windows Media Video, are acceptable formats. Okay, these all video files you can play in a PowerPoint presentation. And this acronym you remember, all this acronym of the files of video as well as audio. These are the steps to include the video and audio to your MS PowerPoint presentation. Next we are moving to Design tab, that is third tab. The Design tab provides a variety of options for designing and formatting a presentation. It's used to manipulate the page set of your presentation slides. These options are used. Following are the three groups which are the groups which are included in Design tab. Many are there, but first we are discussing these three here. In a Design tab, only three groups are there. Next we are moving to another tab here. Mainly page setup, themes, background will come in Design tab. Three groups. Remember this. In Design tab there are only three groups: page setup, themes, background. Okay, this is your Design tab picture. Here you can see page setup. In that page setup is there, slide orientation is there. In a themes means these are predefined different styles of your presentation. You can apply these styles to your presentation. These are themes. Here in themes will be options like colors, fonts, effects are also there in themes. You can change the colors, fonts, effects and all. Then last one is background. Here you can change the background styles and hide background graphics also from this option, background option. Okay, this is a picture, just I have taken the snap of this, but you can see in a computer, if you have a computer or laptop, you can see there this Design tab and you go through with all options of Design tab. These are already predefined. Next will be page setup. Here page setup consists of following commands. In a page setup group, I already taken here picture. Only two options are there: page setup and slide orientation. Okay. also you will set the page orientation, that is landscape or portrait, that you will set. And page setup means here we will set the margins, top, bottom, left, right margins, everything we will set in a Word also. Similar options are there. Here we are setting a page setup of slides because PowerPoint presentation contains slides. So I have to set the slides, page setup and orientation. Okay, on the design tab in the page setup group, click page setup. You have to click on page setup option and you will get page setup dialog box. Okay, you will get a page setup dialog box which appears on the screen. In that, select slide size from the slides sized for drop down list in the page setup dialog box. Here the slide sizes will be there, predefined slide sizes will be there, it will be displayed in a dialog box of page setup. There are different slide sizes. First one, on screen show, letter paper, A4 paper, 35 mm slides, overhead banner, custom. These are the 6 predefined slide sizes. If you select on screen show, it is for like live session. If you are going to explain the slides through the projector, that time we will select on screen show. Like letter paper, A4 paper are the like documentation you can do with that, and in that size it will be the slide. Then 35 mm slides, like you can create only 35 mm slides for giving a through the projector. Also overhead banners, like overhead banner means it will in the large size for a slide that you can give there. Okay, these are predefined. Custom means you can set your own top, bottom, left, right margins as well as the slide orientation. Here landscape, already you know landscape means width will be more, height will be less, and portrait means height will be more, width will be less. In that manner also you can change the slide. Okay, these are the main predefined preset slide sizes. Okay, this is your dialog box, page setup dialog box. Here you can see the slide sized for. Here if you click this arrow key, automatically the predefined slide sizes will be displayed. Whichever you want slide you can select from that, and width and height and number of slides from. Everything is there, you can set here. Width of a slide according to your wish you can set, that is custom slide size. Height also you can change, and orientation is there here, portrait or landscape. Here portrait means here height will be more, width will be less. Landscape means width will be more, height will be less. And for notes and handouts and outline also there will be 2 options, portrait and landscape you can set. Okay, all changes you can set and you can click on OK button. That will be applied to your current slide, to your slides of the presentations. Okay, whatever changes you will do in a page setup dialog box, after clicking on OK, that will be applied to your all slides. Next will be, if you select custom option, okay, you can here if you select custom option, then you can specify the custom. To specify the starting number, you can set the starting number of the slide. Already you have created 10 slides and you want from 11th you want first, second, third, like that you want to give numbers, you can set that one through this slide number starting from, that you can set. To start the numbering of the slides in the number slide from edit box. From the edit box you can change the slide numbers. To set the orientation for the slide in the slides box, select between the portrait and landscape option. Already I told you can select orientation for the slide, portrait or landscape. Finally click on OK. Okay, after setting everything, just click OK button. Okay, Here slide orientation means used to switch between portrait to landscape orientation can be done by using setup dialog box. By setup dialog box you can change this one orientation also, that is landscape or portrait. Okay, in a page setup you can set the slide size, orientation and the slide number starting from which slide that you can mention here. This is about your page setup which is there in a design tab. Okay, next we are going to discuss. Okay, it has come 1 minute. Okay, till that you write. Okay, it has come 2 times. Okay, no need to write this one once again. Similar same options are there here, just to ignore this. Okay, next will be themes. Themes group consists of only one command. Here themes group consists of only one command. This is your theme group, already it is there in a screen. Just see that the different styles themes are displayed on the screen, predefined themes. Okay, here these themes serve as the basis for the graphic design of a presentation. Each theme consists of a background design, placeholder layouts and font styles. To browse through the available themes, just you have to click on the design tab. In that you have to select themes toolbar and then select the example themes. Whichever theme you want. Themes means here everything is predefined. Already one style is set for the presentation. Like several styles are created, like headings, subheadings and the alignments and which color font and background color and a slide size. Everything will be predefined. If you are interested in themes, already predefined themes, just you can select from that theme and apply it to the presentation slides. Okay, and then click the colors, fonts and effects, menus in the themes group to customize the design of the presentation. You can set the predefined will be applied, which theme you will select, that theme will be applied to your presentation. It will be very attractive. If you want to change the font colors or styles of the themes, you can change that. You can make an edit also. Then click the colors, fonts and effect menus in the themes group to customize the design of the presentation. You can customize that. You can change that. Everything you can change. Okay, in a themes. Next one is backgrounds. Here in a backgrounds there will be 2 options. One is background styles, another is hide background graphics. Okay, here in picture you can see background styles, hide background graphics are there. Okay, here background styles means that is ready-made themes in order to create a custom design presentation. Select the design tab in the ribbon and then click the background style menus to choose the background. It is also predefined. Whichever background you want, you can select from this option. There will be background styles menu. You can choose the background for your PowerPoint presentation. Here one more option is there, hide background graphics. Okay, this button is used to hide the background graphics included in the theme which you have selected. If you want to hide the background graphics, at that time you can click on this and you can hide the background graphics of themes also, as well as what if you are given your own, that also you can hide from this option. notes here in your notebook. Here important questions will come from this topic are, first one is explain the steps to insert, add audio and add video to a slide. They may ask like this, or they may ask add movies or sound files to your presentation. They'll ask for 5 marks. You have to write both the steps, add audio, add video, both the steps you can write here. And one more question they'll ask in exam, like what is theme, write about inserting themes. Like this also sometimes they'll ask. You have to remember what is theme, you have to remember, and you have to write the steps to apply themes to your PowerPoint presentation slides. Okay, these two questions will come from this topic. Okay, next class again we will discuss with a different topic, that is animation step. Okay, till then have a good day, be healthy and be happy.